QR codes are a great way of essentially hyperlinking to any content that is located on the web. And there are different QR code readers. So usually you would use a mobile device like your phone or iPad or Android tablet. In the camera, if you have a QR code reader installed, you point the camera at the QR code and it would scan and read that and take you to whatever the link of the web-based content is. There are also QR code readers available for Chromebooks. It's easiest to create QR codes through the Google URL shortener. That's probably the best way I know how to do it for free. The easiest way to use the Google URL shortener is by installing the Google extension. So it's this one right here. Kind of looks like a vise with a green cube in it. And I'll show you where to install that. First, you need to make sure you're signed into Chrome. So if you go to the three gumdrops at the top right of Chrome and go to Settings, which is two up from the bottom on that menu, you'll be taken into your settings for Chrome. You'll want to make sure that you're signed in to whatever account you want to be using, whether it's your personal or Goo.gl account. You'll connect the account and link your data and give it any permissions it requests. Once you've done that, you want to go out to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left to search for Goo.gl. The first item that comes up should be the extension, and again, you will see this particular icon. It's the gray box, and you'll see that vise with the green cube in it. That's the one you want to use. Over on the right-hand side, you should see a blue box that says Add to Chrome, similar to the others in the list on this page. Mine is green for this particular extension right now because I already have it installed. You'll click the blue Add to Chrome button and give the extension any permissions required. Once it installs, you'll see that it appears in your extensions bar, which is at the top right of your browser, just to the right of your Omnibox where you do your searching. Now, when you're on a website, if you click that URL shortener extension, it will give you a shortened link to visit that site, which is nice, but even better, at the bottom, now you have the option for QR code. If I click on the word QR code, then QR appears, and I can left click and drag that into another tab I have open, like maybe a Google document or slide deck, and I'll just drag that right onto the document, and now I have it there to work with. I can resize it from the corner, I can put it into a table or work with it in other ways. I could also do the same thing maybe in a presentation, but I'll show you again. We can click that QR code. I can also simply right click on that particular QR code image, copy the image, and then go to where I need to place it and right click paste, and then it will put it onto my slide or wherever I'm wanting to put that in order to be able to share it better. You can also use the web-based version of the tool in order to find QR codes. So I'm going to open a new tab and go to the website version of Goo.gl. So I'm typing that right into my Omnibox. That's all I need to type in. So again, let's say I have this link to something. I right click and copy the link. I go to my web-based version of the shortener. I right click and paste into the box at the top of the screen. I click Shorten URL. And once that link has been shortened, it will appear at the top of the list of all of the links I have ever used this tool to shorten. When I have that item in my list, now over on the right-hand side of that link, I see three gumdrops as a menu option. If I click that, QR code is an option, and just like before, I can either left click and drag this image somewhere to place it, maybe a document or a slide deck, or I can simply right click, copy the image, and then paste it where I need it.